Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro, and welcome friends to another exciting smartphone video. Today we are unboxing and reviewing one of the most talked about upcoming smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G. This phone is creating a lot of hype in the mid-range flagship segment, and after seeing its features, you will understand why. Starting with the design, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G looks extremely premium. It comes with a glass back and a sleek metal frame that gives a proper flagship feel in hand. The phone feels solid, stylish, and very comfortable to hold. Samsung has done a great job with the overall finishing, making it look like a high-end device. Now let's talk about the display. The Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G features a 6.78-inch Super AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate. This means you get ultra-smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an immersive viewing experience. Whether you are watching YouTube videos, Netflix, or playing games, the display quality is absolutely top class. Coming to performance, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is a flagship-level chipset. This processor easily handles heavy gaming, multitasking, video editing, and all high-performance tasks. Games like PUBG, Call of Duty, Genshin Impact, and Asphalt run smoothly on high settings without any lag. The phone comes with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, which is more than enough for power users. App loading speed is very fast, and switching between multiple apps feels super smooth. Now let's move to the camera, which is one of the biggest highlights of this phone. The Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G features a massive 200-megapixels AI triple camera setup. This camera captures extremely sharp and detailed photos with excellent dynamic range. Whether it's daylight or low light, the camera performance is impressive. You also get features like night mode, portrait mode, 8K video recording, ultra-wide shots, and AI enhancements. On the front, there is a 32-megapixel selfie camera, which is perfect for selfies, Instagram, TikTok, and video calls. Now let's talk about battery. The Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G comes with a huge 7000 mAh battery, which easily lasts more than one full day, even with heavy usage. You can watch videos, play games, browse social media, and still have battery left at the end of the day. The phone also supports 120W fast charging, which means you can charge your phone from 0 to 100% in a very short time. This is a big advantage for users who are always busy and don't want to wait long for charging. In terms of software, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G runs on the latest Android with One UI, giving you a clean, smooth, and feature-rich user experience. You get all the latest Samsung features, security updates, customization options, and smooth animations. Connectivity-wise, the phone supports 5G network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, dual speakers, and all modern features you expect from a premium smartphone. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G is a complete all-rounder smartphone. It offers a premium design, flagship performance, powerful camera, massive battery, and ultra-fast charging. If Samsung launches this phone at a competitive price, this could easily become one of the best mid-range smartphones of 2026. So if you are planning to upgrade your phone this year and want a powerful Samsung device, the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G should definitely be on your list. Friends, that's it for today's unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for daily smartphone unboxings, reviews, and the latest tech updates. See you in the next one. Rocket Cell Phone.